Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is N14 and thank you for joining me today for a little bit of a Japanese study session. Today we're going to be looking at a reading comprehension problem that was taken from the Japanese Language Proficiency Test website, and it is at the N5 level. Prior to taking the JLPT, I highly suggest that you have basic Japanese reading skills. So hiragana, katakana, and elementary school kanji. I think the first grade level. Second grade, I'm not too sure, but definitely first grade. If you are not able to read these things, then you're going to have a really difficult time trying to pass this test. However, if you can read these things, then you got a shot. You definitely got a shot. So come on down, follow me, and let's take a look at this problem. I'm basically just going to explain my thought process and how I would tackle this particular problem. This is not necessarily a difficult problem, but it does require process of elimination skills. So first and foremost, it's very important to find the question. Where is the question? So as many of you may already know, question in Japanese is shitsumon. The shitsumon is right over here. And I'm going to read this to you. It says, Sensei wa itsu jikan ga arimasu ka? When does the teacher have time? Number 1, this week. Number 2, Saturday. Number 3, Sunday. Or number 4, Monday. In order to solve this problem, I'm going to start from the very top, gather information, and eliminate any answers that I feel are not correct. So let's start. Here we go. Anna-san to Anna. Konshu wa shigoto ga takusan arimasu. Here's a keyword right here. It says konshu, this week. This week there's a lot of work. So this means that this week is out of question, right? So we're going to eliminate this week. Next, 土曜日と日曜日も忙しいです. So Saturday, Sunday, and 忙しい means busy. Okay, so Saturday and Sunday are busy, which means that we're going to eliminate number 2 and number 3. By process of elimination, we understand that the answer is going to be number 4. So let's read the next sentence to confirm whether or not that is the right answer. It says, 来週の月曜日に来てください. Next week, Monday, please come. So that confirms our answer, and it is indeed Monday. And there you have it. That's exactly how I would go about solving a reading comprehension problem like this. If you liked the video and you would like to see more tutorials made on how to pass questions from the Japanese Language Proficiency Test, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be tackling problems from the N5, N4, and N3 level tests. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you later. Peace.